Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. My name is John and today we'll be discussing how to run basic descriptive analysis using SPSS. For more information on the variable view and how to make changes to the variable view to suit the variables in your dataset, please check out my previous video. We know descriptive analysis is basically describing your data. So you can describe it in terms of mean, mode, median, or standard deviation, variance, range, or even how the data is distributed, whether it is positively skewed or negatively skewed. With SPSS, you can get more out of descriptives, like putting the frequencies of one variable against the frequencies of another variable, and then inferring association between the two variables. You can also have the opportunity to run chi-square or Fisher's exact t-test to infer association between one variable and then the other. To run your descriptives, the first thing you do is to select Analyze. Select Descriptive Statistics and then select the exact type of statistic you want to run. Cross tabulations is where you can do the association. So we would focus more on cross tabulations in the next video. Today's video will be about frequencies and descriptives. So for frequencies, after selecting descriptive statistics, you select frequencies. From this pop-up menu, you select the variables you want to run the frequencies for. So I will select age, steady hours, and then GPA. Then you go to statistics and then you choose the exact statistic again you want to run for the variables that you have selected. So I will choose the mean, and then I will choose the quartiles, I will choose standard deviation, and then I will choose, let's just say, the median. When you are done, you click continue. And then you click on charts, and then from here you select the chart type that represents the variables that you are running the frequencies for. For the purpose of this video, I will not add any chart type to the output, so I'll just click on continue. And then you tick display frequency tables. Usually it is ticked for you automatically, and then you select OK. On a separate output, you realize that the statistics that you chose to run for those variables will be displayed in a single table where you have your age, you have your steady hours, and the GPA. And then you have the mean for each of the variables, the median for each of the variables, the standard deviation for each of the variables, and then the percentiles for each of the variables. And then you realize that you have the frequency tables for each of the variables that you selected. The next one is the descriptives option. When you select that one and then you come to options here, you realize that it's basically a redacted version of the frequencies option. So usually if you want to run descriptives like the basic ones that we just ran, you can use the frequencies option and then you get everything that you want from that option. I can repeat the same analysis again and choose mean, standard deviation, minimum, maximum, and then continue. And then I select the variables that I want to run the analysis for, such as age, steady hours, and GPA. And then I click OK. So again, the standard deviation, the mean, and the maximum and the minimum will be displayed in the output. And then you can make comparisons between the output here and then the output here. You realize that for the age, the mean is 24.32 and then the standard deviation is 4.770. When you come here for age, the mean is 24.32 and the standard deviation is 4.770. So you are basically getting the same thing. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment and subscribe and share for others to learn. Like I said, in our next video, we will talk about cross tabulations and then how to run Fisher's exact t-test and chi-square, which are analysis of association. Thank you and catch you on the next one.